UV method. So what is the problem, that one? Tell me here. Y is equals to previous problem, first one. For UV method, product rule, x into sin x, is it? So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್? Okay, see here. First we will discuss this first one. Everyone, look at the board. Simple. So here multiplication is there. X is one factor and sin x is another factor. So you can take it as a u and it as a v, and this will be yours y. Y is equals to u into v. If it is in the form of uv, you can directly apply this formula here. Here I written a formula. So as it is, I am going to solve here. Please everyone look at the board. So what is the formula here? You have to find out dv by dx is equals to u means what? X factor, keep as it is here x into dv by dx, right here d by dx of v value is how much here? Sin x, right as it is sin x. Next plus ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ u ಮತ್ತೆ v ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ v ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ? sin x, ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ d by dx of u term, u is what here? x. Now differentiate. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಂಗದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. X as it is, differentiation of sin x. You can see the board here. I know you didn't practice. What about here? Sin x differentiation, cos x, right here cos x plus sin x as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. So final answer x cos x plus sin x. This is your dy by dx by using UV method or a product rule. Is it clear? Now it is understood now for everyone? Okay, note down. It is copied now already. You are taken. Can I go for next one? Okay, right. Boys, reply me. ಏನು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೋ? Right. Second one, y is equals to x square into e raised to x. Stop writing. First, look at the board. First, try to understand. Then we can write. See here, y is equals to x square into e raised to x. Here again two products are there. This x square can be written as a u and this e raised to x can be written as a v. Initially we can take like this separately. Now you can apply UV method. Don't write, just look at the board. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್. ನೌ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ dy by dx is equals to, what is the formula here? First you keep as it is, differentiation of a second, that is v. So here u is what? X square into differentiation of second, that is e raised to x plus again v into du by dx. So here v is what? E raised to x into d by dx of u value is x square, right? So step by step ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, then you will get the answers. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ u as it is x square, again dv by dx ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ v value e raised to x, you have to differentiate the second term, then write second term as it is, then differentiate the first term. Now we'll do differentiation. So x square as it is into e raised to x differentiation, e raised to x, next plus as it is, again write e raised to x as it is, differentiation of x square, x square, x raised to n formula ma, n into x raised to n minus 1, so So here x square n value is 2, x 2 minus 1, you will get a 2 minus 1 under 1. So finally 2x will have basic things, you have to practice it. By saying the problem you have to answer me. So x square differentiation is what? Simply 2x. So final answer x square into e raised to x plus 2x into e raised to x. This is your dy by dx. Note down. Sir fast ಆಗಬೇಕು, ರಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Then write in fair. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ right, y is equals to cos x into log x to the base e. Take a next problem. Again here u is equals to cos x is what here? U, and this log x is what? V term. So just apply the product rule, u into v. Okay, stop writing, look at the board. First try to understand the things, right? ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ dy by dx is equals to ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ cos x, keep as it is. You have to differentiate a second term, again plus you have to write the second term as it is and the differentiation of first term. This is cos x. So I will do directly here. Log x differentiation is 1 by x plus log x to the base e as it is. Then cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So one formula, one sheet ಒಳಗಡೆ formula ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Now simplify here. This will be 1 by x into cos x minus sin x into log x to the base e. This is your answer, right? Let's take one more. Y is equals to x cube into 3 cot x minus 5. X cube into 3 cot x minus 5. Please tell me here which one is u and which one is v. It is u term. Second one, whole term you have to take a, not only single 3 or a cot x or a 5, whole term, whole bracket, that will be v. Okay. Now apply the formula, that is dy by dx is equals to, ನಿಮಗಿನ್ನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ write one more step like this. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದು ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ then do differentiation. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. If you are getting confused, if you are not able to understand, then go for this method. First formula ಬರೆದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Now so u term we have to keep as it is, right? X cube. So differentiation of d by dx of 3 cot x minus 5 plus again what is there? V term, right as it is, 3 cot x minus 5 differentiation of u. U is what here? X cube. Now stop writing, look at the board everyone. dy by dx, tell me the differentiation. X cube as it is, differentiation of 3 is constant, right as it is, don't disturb this one. ಏನೇ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cot x, differentiation of cot x minus cosec square x, right here minus cosec square x, bracket complete, and the constant is 0. Differentiation of any constant, what you will get? 0. Then so actually we are doing this one now. Okay, plus now keep this term as it is. What is that? 3 into cot x minus 5 into differentiation of x cube 3x square ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್. I don't have a much space, that's why I written like this, so write in single line. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ರಫ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. Main formula, if you are perfect in formula you can solve any type of problems. Take next one. Y is equals to root x into sec x. Next problem. So y is equals to root x into sec x. So it is in the form of UV method or not, dear students? This is in the form of UV or not? Reply me. So which one is u here? Root x is what? U. Sec x is what? V. Apply the formula. dy by dx is equals to first term root x, keep as it is. Next sec x differentiation is sec x into tan x, bracket complete, plus next second term keep as it is, that is sec x. Differentiation of root x is what? 1 upon 2 root x. Everything present on board. You can see the board and tell me the answer. This is the final answer. Root x into sec x into tan x plus sec x divided by 2 root x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ girls? Is it clearly understanding to you how to solve? Okay, take last one more. Y is equals to x square plus 1 into, right, 1 minus 2x square. 1 x square plus 1 into 1 minus 2x square. Now everyone stop writing, look at the board. So here you have to complete the bracket. This complete bracket consider as a u and this second bracket. Complete bracket consider as a u and this one will be v. Now apply the formula. First in martiri, first term as it is, keep like that only. Differentiation of this one, next plus, keep second term as it is, differentiation of first term. Let us try here. dy by dx is equals to x square plus 1 as it is, differentiation of second one. Can I write directly or can I apply the formula here? Okay, one differentiation is 0 minus constant 2 as it is into x square differentiation is 2x, here it is into. Complete the bracket. First term is over. Now go for second plus v term keep as it is, 1 minus 2x square, next into what? X square plus 1. So differentiation of x square plus 1 is 2x plus 0. Okay, 2x plus 0. Now what is the final answer here? 2 to the 4 minus 4x into x square plus 1. I will write this term first, then second term here plus again here 2x into 1 minus 2x square, right? So for your homework I have given a plus b formula form. ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, I have given in the form of a plus b. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, a plus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. a square plus 2ab plus d square. Then you have to differentiate. Note down. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯು ಪಿ ಮೆಥಡ್? ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಹಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಏದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿ ಅದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಏನತ್ಮ? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್? This problem or this one? Fifth or sixth ma? Sixth one? Okay. Look at the board once again. I will do once again here. So what is the problem here? Y is equals to x square plus 1 into 1 minus 2x square is there. So they are mentioned in a bracket, means you have to consider the whole bracket will be u and this whole bracket will be v. Okay. So here y is equals to u into v. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಇದೆ ನಾ ಇದು. Now apply the formula. dy by dx is equals to u term keep as it is, don't disturb it, x square plus 1. Now differentiation of second term, that is v. Right here 1 minus 2x square plus second term keep as it is. What is that second term here? 1 minus 2x square differentiation of first term, that is x square plus 1. As it is formula we are written here. It is clear amma? Now next step, differentiate. ಇದು term ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, x square plus 1. Now differentiation of 1 is what? Which rule you are going to apply here? Look at the board everyone. Minus is there, difference rule. For sum or difference, what you have to do? You have to differentiate particular terms. First in madri, e term differentiate, then this term differentiation. So any constant is 0 only. So write here 0 minus as it is. Next 2 constant into x square differentiation is 2x. Complete the bracket. E term understand aita? Difference rule you are going to apply here. Constant is 0, 2x square. ಏನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. Then second term as it is. Differentiation of first term is what ma here? Again some rule is there. So differentiate a particular term. First e term, then this term. dx square upon dx plus d of 1 into dx. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Some rule. Dear students, now x square is what here again? 2x plus 1 is 0. Now simplify here. X square plus 1 as it is. Now 0 means the 0 only. Here 2 2s are 4 minus 4x into is there plus again 1 minus 2x square as it is. Here simply 2x is left, 0 is we can neglect. Now here 2 into 3 is equals to how much ma? 6. You can write 3 into 2, you will get a 6. Just I am writing here order wise. First 4 minus 4x into x square plus 1 order wise plus here 2x into 1 minus 2x square. Now it is clear. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಯೋಗೇಶ್, ಚರಣ್, that problem is taken. Can I erase the board? Or still you are writing? Writing part is over? Okay, fine. Now we are going to discuss about the fourth rule. What is fourth rule? Quotient rule, that is u by v method. Everyone see here, fourth rule. Quotient rule, or you can say u by v method. U by v method for division. So So third rule is for multiplication and fourth rule is for division. Okay, so this method is known as a quotient method or a quotient rule, or you can simply say u by v method. So if y is equals to, question is in the form of u by v, then which formula you are going to apply here to find dy by dx is equals to, so you have to write a denominator square v square. First u by v ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರುವಂತದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ, v square, and numerator just write here v into du by dx. Second term as it is, differentiation of first term minus product ಒಳಗಡೆ plus ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, here you have to take a minus. So if formula wrong ಆತಂದ್ರೆ whole answer will be wrong. So please keep it in your mind. Next what you will do, keeping first term as it is, differentiation of a second term. Formula will be v into du by dx minus v into dv by dx divided by v square. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Is it clear? This is the formula for quotient rule or a u by v method. Example, first one, y is equals to sin x divided by x. Y is equals to sin x divided by x. So it is in the form of u by v. This is u, this is v. Can we consider? Now everyone stop writing, look at the 4. So dy by dx you have to find out here. So that's why by applying the uv method, denominator can be square, x is there, make it as a square. Now this denominator keep as it is, don't differentiate, that is second term. So x into differentiation of first term, that is d by dx of sin x minus, now keep first term as it is, what is that, sin x into differentiation of a second term, that is v. V is how much here, x. This is clear to all. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಮಾ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್. Mute your mobile, dear students. Now see here, same formula we are going to apply here. Instead of v we are writing x here, and instead of u we are writing a sin x minus as it is. Again u means first term as it is, second term that is v, you have to differentiate. Now mute your mobile. X as it is, differentiation of sin x is, differentiation of sin x is, ಅಪ್ಪಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ನಾ ವಾಯ್ಸ್? Dear students, my voice is clearly audible. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಬಸವರಾಜ್? Right, sin x differentiation is cos x minus, again keep sin x as it is, differentiation of x will be 1, so divided by x square, so x cos x minus sin x divided by x square. This is the answer. Hey dear students, my voice is clearly audible. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರಿಪ್ಲೈನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. y is equals to x square. Differentiation of u ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin x minus u ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ again sin x, differentiation of x divided by x square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು differentiation ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು d by dx ಇಲ್ಲ, just you have to square it, that's it. Next differentiate x as it is, sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ cos x minus is minus, sin x as it is, again x differentiation 1 divided by x square. Just simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. x cos x minus sin x into 1 andre sin x divided by x square. Is it clear? Next, take a second one. Y is equals to x square plus 1 divided by x cube. So here, which one is u? X square plus 1 as a u and x cube as a v. Same to same, I am going to apply the formula here. So dy by dx is equals to, first term as it is, x cube, differentiation of a second term, that is u. Right here, x square plus 1 minus, again second term, that is first term keep as it is, x square plus 1 differentiation of a second term, d by dx of x cube whole divided by, you have to make it as a square, x cube whole square. Right, now differentiate. ಇದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Dear students, ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ ಬಿಟ್ 2 ಸಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ನಾವು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2x and constant differentiation is 0 minus as it is, right, x square plus 1. Here differentiation of x cube, good, whole divided by x raised to 3 2s are 6. Okay, then you can simplify. So you will get here 2 into x raised to 4, 2x bracket multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2x raised to 4 minus here 3x raised to 4 plus 3x square whole divided by x raised to 6. Okay, so in physics they will give the values of x. Take one more. Y is equals to 1 plus e raised to x, 1 plus e raised to x, 1 minus e raised to x divided by 1 plus e raised to x. Right, again let us take this numerator term as u, denominator term as v. Apply the formula. So dy by dx is equals to, first what you have to do, keep v term as it is, that is 1 plus e raised to x. Differentiation of second term is what, d by dx of 1 minus e raised to x minus 1 minus e raised to x, differentiation of what, 1 plus e raised to x. Okay now, so whole divided by what, 1 plus e raised to x whole square. Right, next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ differentiation, 1 plus e raised to x as it is. Now differentiation of 1 is again 0, differentiation of e raised to x is what, e raised to x minus 1 minus e raised to x as it is. Now differentiation of 1 is 0 and e raised to x is e raised to x only, whole divided by what, 1 plus e raised to x whole square. Further you want, you can simplify one more step. So just multiply inside, minus e raised to x plus into minus minus e raised to 2x, again minus e raised to x minus minus plus minus e raised to 2x whole divided by 1 plus e raised to x whole square.
1 plus e raised to x.
This one here.
Yeah.
1 plus e raised to x whole square. No 2x. ಇದೇನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, keep as it is. This will be plus, minus into minus plus. So plus e raised to 2x minus e raised to 2x cancels. So remaining will be minus 2 into e raised to x divided by 1 plus e raised to x whole square. Clear? That problem is clear or what? ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸೌಂಡ್? Right. Take another last problem. So y is equals to 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. So see here, this is u method, this is v method. We'll send up it. Stop writing. Now look at the board everyone. So ee tara problems validava. Just apply the formula dy by dx is equals to first term as 1 plus sin x, keep as it is, differentiation of second term d by dx of 1 minus sin x minus 1 minus sin x as it is, differentiation of second term, that is 1 plus sin x, differentiation of a v divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. Now write the answer. 1 plus sin x as it is, differentiation of 1 is 0, sin x differentiation is cos x, here minus is there, minus cos x, right, minus 1 minus sin x as it is, differentiation of 1 is 0, sin x differentiation minus cos x, minus or plus or plus or minus 3? 1 plus sin x whole square. Now so bracket multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this will be minus cos x, here minus sin x into cos x minus cos x minus minus plus sin x into cos x whole divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. अर्थ आयता? Now minus sin x cos x plus sin x cos x cancel. ಉಳಿತೇನು? minus cos x minus minus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. Screenshot ತಗೋ ಇದನ್ನ. ನಿನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಐತಿ? take care. Fast. Complete. So quotient rule is understood by everyone? Dear students? Right. This is the last one, fifth rule. What is that? Chain rule. So fifth one, chain rule. What is chain rule here? We are differentiating function of function. Function of function. How? We'll see here. So we can call it as a composite function also. If, look at the board everyone, y is a function of u and u is function of x. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So here it is a chain rule. Y is dependent on u and u is dependent on x. So this is known as a chain rule that we can write here. So dy by dx is equals to, so dy by du, because y is dependent on u into u is dependent on x. This is the formula for chain rule. Is it clear? Simple amma. Chain rule andre enri continuity irtada link. So y depend on u and u depend on x. So how? We'll see. For example, y is equals to root of x square plus 1. Kelistidena? Is it clearly audible to all? Okay. Look at the board everyone. Y is equals to u. Y is dependent on u. Here see, u can be taken as simply x square plus 1. U value is what? X square plus 1. So you have to differentiate first. Imagine, already you know the formula for root x. ಏನು root x formula? 1 upon 2 root x, right? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಯು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ dy by dx is equals to imagine this is a x ಬದಲು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ನಾನು u put u is equals to what x square plus 1 so root x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ 1 upon 2 root x ಬದಲು ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಅದ into see here dy by dx y function ಇದೆ you are differentiating with respect to u into again u ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square plus 1 so this u can be differentiated with respect to x so here x square andre enri 2x first you have to differentiate u again you have to differentiate inside the terms here 2 get cancels what is the answer here x divided by under root u this u can be replaced by again x square plus 1 bariboda right take one more example y is equals to e raised to 2x okay so here e raised to x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀರಿ ನೀವು here 2x can be taken as a u put u is equals to 2x e raised to x ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised to x ಆಗ್ತದ instead of x if it is u raised to u ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised to u only yes or no dy by dx is equals to e raised to 2x into differentiation of this u what you will get 2 into 1 2 is constant x differentiation is 1 so this can be written as 2 into e raised to x one more example y is equals to cos of x square plus 2x plus 3 okay in the whole term you can consider this as a x cos x differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin x so dy by dx is equals to minus sin x x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square plus 2x plus 3 into ಈ ಒಳಗಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು what is that 2x plus 2 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ so in order wise minus 2x plus 2 I am writing first this term into sin of x square plus 2x plus 3 sir screenshot ತೆಗೆದು screenshot ಮುಗಿತಾ